Today we're playing shawarma. So let's get into the game right now.
Okay, so I'm using my computer right
You
now.
know, you mean a laptop
I'm using my
keyboard. Let's go.
Where's my screen? So
Come on.
come on.
Okay. Okay.
We gotta log in.
It's currently 100. That takes so long. Okay. Where are you? Oh my god. It scared me. That's run. No, you're so slow. Hey. Hey. See, what's that? Can't see that. Anyway, let's just go here.
I opened it.
Welcome to your night shift at
Okay, we know like 100 times.
Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn on the
Okay, let's turn this on now.
Now, open the window.
I'm gonna
Let
close
everyone know you're ready. Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules.
Safety rules. Oh, there's a safety rules.
And walk
Man,
away.
I'm so scared.
Don't watch TV
If
or listen to the
please
radio.
explain.
Music keeps the mood up.
Okay, let's.
Friendly reminder, don't
No.
look into their eyes. It's more fun that way. Have a
What do you
wonderful
mean?
Smile, serve, and everything will be just perfect. They're already on their way.
Okay.
Then where are they?
Okay, I'm turning this off.
Hi.
Oh my god. I'm gonna turn on my volume. No!
No! I cannot. Ah, she's so chubby.
What do you mean, chubby?
So strong.
That will be
Strong
okay.
and chubby.
No.
Big mustache.
Let's just. Oh. I hope there's nothing but. Oh no. There's nothing but. She's look normal. She's normal. Maria! Take.
Move aside.
No.
Putting it.
We got a staring contest here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put such a warmer. Sorry. Oh my god, we don't have meat. It's gonna take so long.
Where did it get?
Hey.
So I hate glasses.
Hey. Okay, just
The
put.
total is 2,000,039 cents.
What do you mean? What am I gonna ask?
Move aside, move aside.
Hey, you cut me off. What time is it? It's 11 a.m.
I need to get a drink.
Need a drink? No. Now I know you called him chubby. Anyway,
We should drink
but
it.
go away, man. We got more customers. I don't know why we have vegetable. We currently have this.
What
Anyway,
did I forgot?
hey.
A Coke.
Who opened? Stop opening! Oh! Oh, just
I need to get the drink, but I can't.
Just give.
No, there's.
What with it? What did we forgot? We're stuck. You just open. Yo, man.
Oh, we need some coffee.
Oh my god, where's that jam? I didn't read. I know we forgot something. Not soda. Oh wait, is this new? Guys, tell us if this new. Yeah, thanks. That takes so long.
Consistency matters.
Yo, stop.
We're gonna be night in 24 hours.
Guys, if we shout, please don't scare us. We're gonna get scared here. Yeah.
Yeah, there's gonna be a jump.
Where's our other customers? They're so long. I don't even know. Oh, there's a kitty.
I want to see the kitty.
I don't even know, bro.
We need to have 5 players.
What's this? I'm not gonna read it. Oh, let's just change.
Oh my god.
What the? Hey, yo.
My screen just went dark.
Ah! ice cream. Oh, finally.
She's a blondie. She's a girl or a boy? Oh, she's a girl or a boy? She's a girl or a freaking boy? Is that short hair?
Why we like a man? That's not our voice, yo. We're not a guy, we're girls. Currently sisters, teammate. I don't know. Let's make the shawarma. Taking so long. So, girl, how do I jump? Ah, I can't. Wait, I didn't check the cameras. Wait, I forgot. Okay. Looks fine. Yep, she's safe. She's safe, bro! Why did you close it? Yo.
Stop!
Guys, he's screwing just like a jump scare. Sorry you didn't see that. Good, what
Did I see that?
Hey,
What?
yo.
Ay, gonna pasa.
Hey, stop. Anyway, let's just serve.
I open it and there's a freaking zombie.
Okay, I'm gonna take the food. Just put there. Oh, lettuce. Oh, lavish. Sorry. Meat. Roll the shawarma. Faster. Nice singing. What do you mean stopping tonight? You going on a bus trip? Wait, did you pay?
Yeah, he paid.
Okay. Dude, what are you doing?
I'm scared, bro.
What? Oh my god. Nah. What? And that's okay. Let's just. Hey, it's normal. Nah, she's falling. Wake up, dude.
I'm waking up. Yeah, she's so
Wait, that's actually so fat.
You're checking the camera.
200. Okay, thanks. I'm gonna keep it on. Stop!
I'm gonna get a drink. You handle that.
Hey, wait, you gonna.
I'm gonna get a
She's AFK! No! I don't want to!
See ya.
Fine. If I got scared, I'm gonna.
See ya.
Oh my god, she's so shabby! Why do we don't have any anomalies? I don't want to serve you. You're so shabby, dude. Nah. Yo, wait, I'm gonna control her. Wait, guys, wait. I'm gonna control. I got his tablet here. Here! I'm here. I got his tablet, guys.
No!
So, no, oh my gosh, she's coming. Oh no.
I'm here. I'm freaking here.
Anyway, I'm just here.
I got my drink. It's
Oh, no.
Milo. It's Milo and her cat name's Milo.
Bro! No, I'm here. She's here.
I
Move! I didn't serve this guy yet.
I got my drink. It's Milo.
Hey. On time. Wait, guys.
No, you're not.
Just
gonna
a sec.
No, you're not gonna AFK.
I'm gonna AFK. Hey. So she's apparently gonna control.
No.
Okay, guys, watch her.
Run! Stop!
Guys, watch her.
Okay. Guys, I got his tablet. I got that. Shut up. Okay, what's what I gonna do? What's I'm gonna do? Oh, just gonna control him. Oh, let's see.
I'm really so quiet today. And I really don't like that I'm always controlling when she's not here. Well, guys, I'm gonna do something. Alright, man. I kind of
Back!
No, she's back.
Are you controlling my iPad? Give me that!
Huh? Never mind, I'm getting
Hey!
Okay, let's wait, do it. Oh, yeah, did it. Okay, give there. Drink my Marlo in real life.
Okay, have a good
Have
day,
a
Miss
horrible
Patty.
day.
Miss or Miss... Oh, wait, sir.
Have a horrible day. There's monster here, so good luck.
Long shift, long day. And I don't like it.
I'm just drinking.
Let's wait for like 2 hours again. Oh, finally she come quick. What do you want, ma'am?
You know, you need to eat something.
No, I
else,
think
so-
she's anomaly. She's not. Hey, speak. Oh, finally.
That take long. Look at the camera.
Great, thanks. It already
Yeah, the mic is so good. We're drinking real life. Guy, put F. Yeah, FK. I don't want to do the work. Hey, Jesus Christ! I get. Oh my God! Did I? Oh yeah. Oops. You're okay.
What's this book thing? Oh, so ito na makikita natin. Oh my god, there's twins. There's twins.
Wait, so they're twins? Wait, check the cameras.
Yeah, she's in the list.
I think they're twins. I think there's in the back. Oh my God, meron na sa back. Oh wait, there's in the back. Sorry, I speak Tagalog.
There's someone in the back.
Yeah, I hope she's not talking.
Seriously, I come all the way here dreaming about you all. And the window closes right in front of me, just my luck.
It's not our fault. You're anomaly. There's in the back. I hope she didn't know.
Open the door.
I'm not opening the door. I'm scared. We're like 11 years old.
I'm 10. You're the other baby.
Hey, don't say that.
And you open it now?
Is she gone?
Maybe.
And I don't know how about you open it. You're just saying from your time.
I'm drinking. Close my eyes.
Finally. Open it. Oh, yep, this the.
There's a freaking car that I see.
Why all of our customers so shabby? Oh no, she's skinny. Hey! What was that?
My head hurts.
What do you mean?
Normally.
Pressure on one side. That's 150.
What is it? No. This game's so scary. We didn't play for like 1 year. Yo, I'm not looking cause did you turn off the lights? Why she like so good about her head? Guys, is this okay? But
This is not freaking anomaly. I can see it. Her head just popped out.
stop. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna serve you, but don't hurt us.
I'm not serving.
Serve!